Look at this. Isn't that cute?
Ah, that's
It's from Tammy and
cute.
Uncle Frank and Aunt Tammy.
What is it?
Look at the tootsies.
Aw. Aw, that's so cute. You gonna hug it, honey?
What is this thing? It's big. What's that big red thing?
That's
It
a
says, "Be my
heart.
Valentine."
Oh, you
Oh,
gonna
she's
hug
trying
her? Let her hug it. Don't say anything.
Okay.
What is that, honey?
It's a quite perfect beard.
Is it pretty? It's nice.
She's just like, oh my god, I don't know what to do with it. It's as big as me. See, I told you it was almost, well, not quite as big.
Not quite as big, but it's cute. That was nice.
There goes the feet
Are you
again.
gonna hold it, honey? You gonna hug it?
Give it a kiss.
Give it kisses. Give it kisses. That's a Valentine's Day present. It's cute.
Yeah. That's Lisa's, all her very own.
You like it, Amy?
Can you send a picture to Tammy and Frank?
Well, I'm recording it and I'm going to send it to
Okay.
him. Oh!
Look at that heart, how lacy and pretty it is. It's got little pretty, oh, that's a bad thing.
Yeah, we'll have to watch her.
Yeah. Oh, see, she's trying.
Oh, you're trying to bite it, honey.
No.
Kiss it and love it.
I don't think they've even thought about, I didn't even notice it till now. Kisses and hugs. Yeah.
This is a KEZI 9 News Update.
I wish you could have